Do you want to learn ways on how to boost your immune system? Is zinc important? Watch my video to see what to do. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sanda. Thank you for watching our channel. In today's video, I want to go down the list again for the Institute of Functional Medicine, how to boost your immune system and stay ahead of any viral infection, especially the COVID-19. So next on the list is zinc. In the last week's video, we talked about quercetin and we talked about curcumin, but let's talk about zinc because I think a lot of people don't have enough zinc according to the studies that we do have. And I am a big believer that we should take our nutrients as much as we can from foods that we eat. So you can find zinc in things like chickpeas, for example, and these you can easily sprinkle on salads. Also, one of my favorite ways to get zinc is through pumpkin seeds. And these particular seeds are actually sprouted. And the reason why I like sprouting is because it increases the bioavailability of certain nutrients such as zinc and magnesium in this particular thing. So 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds that are sprouted can actually have 20% of the daily value of zinc, 22% of iron daily value, and 40% of magnesium daily value. And most of you, at least about 80% of the people watching this video, have a deficiency in magnesium. Of course, you can get zinc through supplementation. You actually have zinc acetate, citrate, picolinate, glycinate, gluconate, all kinds of zincs out there. So 30 to 60 milligrams orally daily is what's recommended by the Institute of Functional Medicine in order for zinc to have a strong antiviral property. So myself, I actually take between 30 and 40 milligrams of zinc daily. A lot of you might be taking only about 10 or maybe 12 milligrams of zinc, and that's too little, especially let's say during the cold and flu season. You might notice that, for example, you're losing your sense of smell. That's definitely an indication that your zinc levels have been depleted, because when we are faced with any kind of viral invasion, our immune system burns through a lot of zinc. So you really need to double or triple the amount of zinc that you are taking, especially during allergy season, during cold season or flu season, because your body will use up a lot more. Also, of course, a nice way to take zinc is through lozenges, and this happens to be actually elderberry zinc lozenges, but they can give you about 5 milligrams of zinc per lozenge. So it's a nice way to supplement your zinc in your diet. If you have any questions, don't forget to write us, comment on this video, or tweet us at Orasana. See you soon. Hi, I'm Dr. Sanda. If you have any questions or comments, or you'd like to see any videos, please mark them below and don't forget to subscribe.